we are called by God to be truthful and gracious at the same time. Anong difference, Pastor? Grace is God's favor. Truth is God's standard. Some of you have been struggling with guilt and shame. Guilt will say, I did something wrong. Shame will say, I am wrong. And minsan di natin alam, paano ko i-eliminate, Pastor? Because people look at me na parang, okay naman ako. Leader ako ng church. Nagsiserve ako sa church. Matagal na ako dito sa church. Pero hindi nila alam, meron akong kasalanan. Meron akong tinatagong kasalanan. And you feel guilty about it. And in fact, hindi natapos sa guilt feeling. Naging shameful. Nahiya ka sa iyong sarili. Lagi mo sinasabi sa sarili mo, shame on you, Stephen. Shame on you, Stephen. Because we focus so much on the failure and we forget the future. Ibigay mo yung nakaraan mo sa Lord and God will rewrite your future and God will rewrite your story. Pag lumapit ka sa Kanya, hindi Kanya pagtatabuyan. Let me just say this to you. Wag na wag natin papalabasin yung pinapasok ng Diyos.